Happy Valentine's Day, loves. It is Monday, February 14th, 2022, 8:25 a.m. Eastern, 6:25 a.m. Mountain Time. I don't have a hangover. You have a hangover. Just kidding. It's me. I'm hangover. How are y'all? Audio visual check, please. Greg, S.A. Topher, Rob, Tammy, my girl, Bobo, Amira, Asia, Scott, Rich, Nitro, Bobby, LAP, John, hi, Rich, Jorge, Lamb, thank you, Chuck, Cam Rudin, Jason, Donice, hi, Cam, Jonas, Jason, Danny, Sven, how are y'all? How are you? Let's look at Ford. Yep, Lamb, thank you for answering that question. Yes, ES is the paid data. SPX is the CFD data. You don't have to pay for that on TradingView. Hola. MG is here. Oh, MG, you are my favorite, and you got to get on here and give me crap about Burrow. I love Burrow. He did a lot for LSU. Hey, AR. Hi, Whitney. Okay, Ford. Ford has some high volume this morning, just so you know. Ford has not necessarily afforded themselves, you see what I did there, a higher low. They have not given themselves enough room for a higher low compared to 1702, so just be aware of that. This could be a daily bear flag. They do have some volume this morning, but right now, hourly bear flag is what it looks like to me. Your resistance, 1759. Support, 1725, 1730. Good morning. Hi, Sid. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's make money. Lots of love. If you can't feel it or hear it in my voice, I am sending out so much love to y'all right now. I'm an emotional person, but there is no place for emotions in trading, so please remember that. So what's today's topic? Today's topic is make money. Cam, make money. Well, good evening to you. Hey, y'all. Sava, let's look at it. Sava has a lot of news pumps, I've noticed. Daily inside bar to start. Let's see, have we broken it? Nope. Sorry. 48.50 support, 56.49 resistance. On the hourly, looks like a bear flag. 51.45 resistance. Support 47.52. Oh, okay, XLE. Here's the thing. XLE looks great. I would consider this a daily double top, but I don't like oil here, so I'm cautious on XLE. 70.43, 70.50. I would call that a double top. Support 69.55. How much room? 50%. At least 50%, Edgar. You want something to bounce, at least 50% to have an attempt at a higher low. Hey, Jonas. Lots of hearts to you, too. Sorry, y'all. I'm losing track of tickers now. It's a lot. Hourly oversold. 4 hour not oversold. Potential weekly bear flag, so remember that. Resistance 151. Your next support 143.14. Hourly RSI 21. 4 hour is not oversold. If 4 hour were oversold, I'd like it a lot better here, but right now that weekly bear flag would have me a cause to pause bullish. I'm going over AMD. You're welcome, Edgar. I appreciate you. No, I do not trade EU ETS. I don't. Hey, Gareth. Y'all ready to get started? Good morning. I'm Chart Gal Lori. This is who I am. My hair is not that blonde now. I got to work on that. Chartguys.com. I'm Chart Gal Lori, and we teach technical analysis at the Chart Guys community. And what I do here every morning is, besides cut up, is do indices, commodities, crypto, and movers and shakers of the day. At the end, if I have time, I will go over your request. But for the most part, I can't monitor chat while I'm ripping through these charts. So, yep, it's a Southern accent. I am from Louisiana. Yep, Bullard is hawkish, so careful. He will be speaking any second. We're getting an oversold bounce right now. Here's what I'm looking at. Let's go to the 50,000 foot level. In business, and whatever you do, you got to get the macro view before you start doing anything. What's the biggest time frame? Rise to the highest 50,000, 40,000 square, whatever level to see where you are. And this is what I'm staring at all weekend. Literally, most of the weekend, besides watching Snoop Dogg, was watching this broadening formation. This is a weekly pattern. We have enough room for a higher low. How do I know we have enough room for the higher low? So my chart settings are on the screen now, and we are going to be releasing a PDF on my chart settings in case you're interested. I'll let you know about that soon. But we bounced almost to the golden pocket at 61%. We have enough room for a higher low on ES. So this weekend when I was thinking, man, it just feels bearish. No matter what I think, what I do, what room I go into, it feels bearish. We have enough room for a higher low. And Apple, I'm just going to cut to the chase here. Apple could be a potential monthly bull flag. How many times have I yelled at y'all that Apple's the most important chart out there? It is. It's not an ideal monthly bull flag, but it's a potential bull flag. It's holding on to the weekly 8 EMA, which is strong, RSI over 50, and daily is clinging on to the daily 50 EMA by 13 cents. Yes, I said 13 cents. But as long as Apple is in this weekly, well, I shouldn't say that. It's in a weekly EQ, but this monthly bull flag has me optimistic about the market. Maybe misplaced, but it has me optimistic. So this morning, Putin said something about not invading Ukraine or something, whatever, and we know what happened. It was oversold bounce. So let's go look at ES. On the 4-hour, we are approaching oversold, looking for the weekly higher low. What's the theme of the day? The theme of the day is 4-hour oversolds, looking for weekly higher lows. That's the theme of the day. And much love to all my pregame crew. Thank you for joining me. Morning in, morning out. I appreciate you. I send you all the love. Show whomever you love some love today. If it's bringing them coffee, it doesn't have to be flowers and chocolate. Bring them coffee, wash clothes, just do those acts of service. All right. So on ES, we're getting an oversold bounce, but don't want that. We are looking for potential hourly lower highs compared to 4428, support 4354. NASDAQ looking for hourly lower highs compared to 14298. Support 14031. 10-year. Oh, 10-year got an hourly higher high. So 10-year's got some giddy up and go. We need this to sit down, possibly at the hourly 50 EMA. Your next resistance, 1993. We need it to sit down in order for tech to bounce or continue to bounce. Hi from the Netherlands. Hi, Glass Eye. How are you? Carbon credits are really, really cool. And we have our commodities channel. I think it's Bennett. He posts about carbon credits and keeps us informed on all the things. R2I looking for hourly lower high compared to 2040.70. That's where we rejected it, 2040.50. You have support at 2050. YM looking for hourly lower high compared to 34755. So all of these hourly lower high scenarios has me looking bearish initially. And then I want to take advantage of potential 4-hour oversold bounces, looking for those weekly lower highs. Okay, that was the most loaded sentence I'll say today. All right, VIX. VIX has some serious get up and go, but on the weekly, odds favor a lower high compared to 38.94. Why did that not? Magnet. Compared to 38.94, we are looking for a weekly lower high. When that is set, it will help this market bounce just a little bit better. So where will it be set? We have some heavy resistance here at $33. We rejected at $32. So I'm waiting for the VIX to calm down to give the market a sustained bounce. There's bounces and there's sustained bounces. And right now it just feels like a temporary bounce. Yeah, hit the like button. Thanks, RG. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Why don't ya? Bitcoin, we're looking for a 4-hour lower high compared to 42781. And your support is at 41570. I am still having congestion issues. I'm sorry. And this could be a 4-hour falling wedge. I'm seeing these lower lows without a lot of follow through, which is ideal for a potential falling wedge. So I will definitely be looking to Bitcoin to lead the way today. We got an hourly higher high on Bitcoin. ES hasn't gotten that. Is Bitcoin our canary? This makes me a little more bullish on the morning. Actually, I didn't see this trend change. Ethereum, hourly trend change. Looking for a 4-hour potential lower high compared to 2955. You have support at 2857, 2846, and 2830. Make creme brulee. Okay. I'm down for it. Here's what we're looking at. We're getting very close to a gold potential monthly lower high. So on gold, will we get a lower high compared to 1879? I don't know, but gold definitely has relative strength right now. If we can get that bull break, that would be awesome for this monthly EQ. We got the weekly higher high. We got the daily higher high. But we're getting that daily higher high and we're approaching overbought. On shorter term time frames, we're 4-hour overbought. Bears could potentially look to short 1867 if we have any consolidation. Support 1851, 1821. Oil. So oil got a big boost from the Ukraine-Russia news Friday. Huge, huge boost. However, I am looking at a potential volume climax on Friday and just some healthy consolidation. So on the hourly, with the size of this pullback, we could possibly anticipate a lower high compared to 93.49. Your next support is at 91.24. Nat gas. Nat gas has had a bullish bounce finally because it's been melting for days on end. Could be a daily bear flag, so caution. Oh, we've already lost the hourly uptrend. Poor nat gas, they can't hold any gains. 416.9, I would look for an hourly lower high compared to that level, and your next support is down at 3876. Hey, Ricky, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Apple. I already got my sweet card from my sweet husband this morning, so it was a good morning. So here's the view. We have plenty of room for a weekly higher low compared to 154.70. We haven't even retraced 0.382 on Apple. With that in mind, 4-hour oversold would be ideal conditions to scout that weekly higher low. So tell me when Apple 4-hour RSI is oversold. And I truly believe this is so key for the market. This chart is so important. We have not made enough room for an hourly higher low compared to 165.25. Caution on buying dips. And let me just say this overall. Caution on buying dips. That literally was my toxic trait when I started trading, was buying dips. Oh, I'm just going to buy the dip. I'm going to be contrarian. It's going down. I'm just going to buy the dip. Did I have a level? What was the thesis? Did I have a higher low? concept. Was it 4 hour oversold, looking for a weekly higher low versus just buying the dip? Please, please, please take heed in what I'm saying. AMD, we're looking for a weekly higher low compared to 99.35. They did have an upgrade and 4 hours approaching oversold. So let me know when RSI gets oversold. Your next support is down at 99.35. I like AMD for a 4 hour oversold bounce play. So my shopping list to buy long, Apple, AMD, Facebook. My shorting list are the banks and oil. I know I'm totally being contrarian this morning because oil and banks have been so strong, but that's what I'm looking at for today. The dip can always get dippier. Truer words have not been spoken. Daily, we're rejecting at the 200 MA on BA. And on the weekly, we're rejecting at the 50 MA. Shoot, I didn't write my notes here. They had some type of, where were the let me go back to the news. Sorry, y'all. We had news somewhere on BA. It made me go look at this. Oh, e-commerce. They had some type of e-commerce news and it made their bounce a little bit stronger. I like a dip buy compared to 207.10. Then 205.40 would be your next support resistance. 214.14 CCL. So I am forever picking on CCL and JPM. I know that. I acknowledge that. Don't give me crap about it. I know. I was on a cruise 12 years ago today. The first and only time I went on a cruise. So on CCL, we're looking for a daily lower high on any bounce. And we're looking for an hourly lower high. And you have resistance at 22.11, 22.14, and 22.34. I like a top fish of CCL. Facebook, I like a bottom fish of 216.52. And we're holding that 216.15, that low of February 8th. I like a dip buy of Facebook trying to bottom fish this oversold bounce. We are still oversold on the daily, still oversold on the weekly on Facebook. Yeah, hit the like button, please. What was I doing here? Okay, Google. We have plenty of room for a weekly higher low compared to 2490. 2490. 4 hours approaching oversold. So tell me when the RSI is oversold on the 4 hour. And I would possibly be interested in a 4 hour oversold bounce play compared to 2540.80. JPM. On JPM, I'm looking for a 1 hour lower high top fish against 154.60. Support 150.84. I'm sorry, I'm so just like black and white today. Sorry, I don't have a lot of emotion or more detailed words. So on Tree, they have an upgrade this morning, and this is a clear bottom fish with nice risk to reward compared to 114.73. So we're looking for a potential daily higher low or double bottom compared to 114.73, and we are right there. We're approaching hourly oversold, coming into 114.73. I like this as a potential bottom fish. Yeah, I see NASDAQ pulling back. So yeah, Bullard stocking for sure. Tesla looking for a potential weekly higher low compared to 79201. 4 hour approaching oversold. You know what I'm about to do. I don't even have to tell you, right? It's the theme of the day. Looking for a 4 hour oversold balance for a weekly higher low compared to 79201. Hourly is oversold, and any little tiny bounce will just cool off RSI. That's not what I'm after, okay? So I'll be a little more specific with this one. I am not looking for this cool off of RSI and then back down again. I am looking for 4-hour oversold. I want those alerts to go off. I want it to be deeply oversold. I'm just not dip buying to be dip buying. I want to be dip buying closer to support, and I want 4-hour deeply oversold, or I should just say oversold. Yeah, hit the like button. Thank you, Melissa. You're the best. And by the way, Melissa, is that you doing the handstand in your Twitter picture? That's like not human. That's crazy. Okay, Wells Fargo, again, I'm picking on the banks. Looking for a potential 4-hour lower high compared to 60.24. Okay, 58.90 would be the potential area to top fish Wells Fargo. Right in this area. All right, what are your requests? I'm not worried about the Fed meeting. No. Well, here's the thing. I'm not worried about anything. I'm just going to trade price action. If I'm wrong, my stops take care of me. Fear in the market and trading gets taken care of with stop losses. I fear nothing in the market, not one thing. I don't fear being wrong because I know it's part of the job. And my stop losses will protect me when I'm wrong. Okay, let's look at Mara. Four hours not even close to oversold. Daily running into the 50 MA. Your key support 24.62. This looks better than most of the charts I've looked at. However, on the 4-hour, on any bounce, we're looking for lower highs. A top fish level on Mara would be 27.22. LTC. 120.92 is your key support. We're getting trapped under the daily 50 MA and key EMAs. On any bounce, we would look for a lower high compared to 143.88. 4-hour, we are looking for a lower high compared to 128.89. Here's what I like to see if I was an LTC bull, is I would want to see actually a lower low, which sounds weird. But give me some type of falling wedge action. LTC just has a problem holding gains. Okay. XPEV needs to hold 35.56 for a daily higher low. Potential hourly bear flag. Bears will be looking to top fish 37.38. Yes, I'll look at CGC. Can you just like relax? Thank you. Relax. Definitely stronger than most of the names we're looking at. Hourly EQ, 939 resistance to 961 support, 886 and 850. Okay. Yep, stop losses don't protect overnight, but they do protect me on futures. All right, last one. I'm out of order, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it on purpose. It's just very busy chat today. We're looking for a weekly higher low compared to 157.38. 4 hours approaching oversold. So what I would do is tell me when 4-hour is oversold. Then I would look for a level to bottom fish. It's just not 4-hour oversold. 4-hour oversold with a level to bottom fish. In this case, 157.38. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you more, Ricky. Thank you, Zia. I appreciate you. Love you all. Use stop losses. That's my love note to you today on this sweet Valentine's Day. There we go. Qualcomm hitting 4-hour oversold. All right. TCG or see you in the room.